guys, welcome back to Yippee Crafts. I'm your creative companion, Yippee. And today we're going to learn how to do finger painting and turn them into cute animals. So come on, let's see how we do it. Grab a sheet of paper, black marker, a paintbrush and loads of different coloured paint. Pick a colour of paint and paint your thumb. I've chosen blue to start. Quickly press your thumb onto the page and slowly release. Do the same with another colour. I'm choosing green now and pressing it sideways for a crocodile. Do the same with as many colours as you like, pressing them down in all different angles. I'm going to just paint my thumb today, but you can paint any finger. Leave them to dry. Once they're dry, grab your black marker. It's time to turn your fingerprints into animals. The yellow could be a bumblebee. Red, a ladybird. You could try different animals in different colours, like a blue giraffe. Ah, a crocodile for my green print. Pink for a piggy. Blue for a birdie. A purple jellyfish. That's fun. An orange fish, like a goldfish, and some bubbles. We might as well. Let's get a close-up. Ta-da! They look great! How did your finger painted animals turn out? See you next week, and don't forget, keep crafting, keep exploring, But most importantly, keep having fun. Bye bye. And if you want more craft ideas, don't forget to subscribe to Yippee Crafts below.